In this video, I will show you how to disable dynamic email in Gmail. So firstly guys, click on settings, then here click on see all settings. Now scroll down and you will find this setting here, dynamic email. So if you need to disable, so just unselect this box. Once you unselect this option, so you are not able to see dynamic email content when it's available. So any case you need to disable, so unselect and scroll down and save changes. So and again you need to enable, so same setting, all settings, and enable it. And there are some more settings you can enable or disable: grammar, spelling check, autocorrect, suggestion, and in the last save changes. Thanks for watching.